Your new Toyota vehicle features the Toyota Audio Multimedia System with multiple ways to access the settings menu. We'll show you the three main methods to get to your vehicle's settings. The primary method is using the touchscreen. First, power on your infotainment system, which usually happens automatically when you start your vehicle. Then locate the settings or setup icon, typically shown as a gear or cog symbol on your home screen. Simply touch this settings icon to enter the main settings menu, where you can customize your vehicle's features and preferences. Some Toyota models have a physical setup button on the center console. Look for this button near your gear shifter or infotainment controls. Press and hold this setup button for 2 to 3 seconds to access quick settings, then use the rotary dial or directional pad to navigate through the menu options. You can also access settings using your steering wheel controls. Press the menu button on your steering wheel, then use the directional arrows to navigate to the settings option. Once you've highlighted settings, press the OK or Enter button to confirm your selection and enter the settings menu. For hands-free access, many newer Toyota models support voice commands. Simply say, "Hey Toyota, open settings," and the system will take you directly to the settings menu. Now you know all four methods to access your Toyota's settings menu: touchscreen navigation, physical controls, steering wheel buttons, and voice commands. Choose the method that works best for your driving situation. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll find four main categories that organize all your vehicle's customization options. Display and interface settings let you customize how your infotainment system looks and feels. Adjust screen brightness for different lighting conditions, choose between light and dark themes, and personalize your home screen layout. Audio and media settings help you optimize your listening experience. Use the built-in equalizer to adjust sound frequencies, set volume preferences, and configure Bluetooth audio quality for the best sound from your connected devices. Vehicle settings control how your Toyota behaves. Configure door lock preferences, set lighting controls, adjust climate control defaults, and customize driver assistance systems like forward collision warning and smart cruise control. Connectivity settings manage how your Toyota connects to the outside world. Set up Wi-Fi networks, pair Bluetooth devices, configure Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and monitor data usage for connected services. To get the most from your Toyota's settings, customize your home screen with shortcuts to frequently used options. Set up voice commands for hands-free access while driving. Create driver profiles to save personalized settings, and remember to perform regular system updates for optimal performance. These optimization strategies will help you navigate your Toyota's settings more efficiently and create a personalized driving experience tailored to your preferences.